So here's how to add commentary on FC Mobile 2024. Simply launch the game, tap on settings in the top right corner, and then from the main menu page or from the main settings menu, you should see commentary and SFX. So just tap on the blue icon next to that, and then here you'll see all the languages that you can download commentary for. Okay, now I've already had English downloaded, and that's why you can see it looks well with this icon here. So let's say I want to download Japanese commentary. So all I need to do is find that and then tap on the download icon next to that, and it's going to tell me how much space that's going to take, and I'll just tap on start and start downloading. Now it's going to take varying amounts of time depending on the speed of your internet. Once the download is complete, you'll now have the option to enable this as the default commentary. Now, like I said, I already have English. So let's say now I want to change to Japanese. All I have to do is turn that on. And as you can see, the English commentary will be disabled. And that's basically how to add commentary on FC Mobile 2024. Thanks for watching and good luck.